name's Chris Hermanys. I'm the editor of Tools of the Trade. The reason I come to the show is to get a chance to see a first look of some of the new tools that are out, but also to network.
The best thing about this show is you get to touch and feel and try the tools instead of reading about them in a magazine or seeing them on a TV show. And you get to talk to the guys that are designers and work with them all the time.
I like to attend these shows because it gives me an opportunity to stay current with what's going on in my industry.
I've been a presenter at the Remodeling Show for about 15 years. And we have live demonstrations that are going on the floor, and they're geared to the contractors who are working in the field.
Because there's live demonstrations throughout the event that I can go to and learn different things that I don't know as much about, like how to properly flash a house or how to learn how to put siding on correctly.
So we teach a lot of best practices, whether it's decking or whether it's high-performance building.
A lot of young tradesfolk, young men, young women who are in trade schools. There's a lot of them here, and it's just been awesome because it gives me, it's great to see what's possible for the future.